Put your gun down.
I saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box?
Not till you give me the
What's in
gun.
the f***ing box?
Oh my goodness. Holy moly. What's in this thing? Let's see. 4 pounds, 14.8 ounces. Wow. Got some heft to it. And you can hear there's some stuff in it. I hope it's not leaky. Let's find out what's in the box.
We need a miracle.
Today is Memorial Day, and I welcome each and every single one of you to the video. I thank each and every one of you so much for stopping by. To all of you vets that have served, thank you all so very much. You guys enable us to be able to do stuff like what I'm doing today and doing these videos. And to the family members who have vets that have, you know, given it all, my family being one of them. I've lost several members in wars and conflicts, and I want to send out a warm, heartfelt thank you and let you know that your family members that gave it all are not forgotten, not even in the littlest bit. Thank you very much. But today's video, mail time. About to get a little emotional there, sorry. Mail time. What's in the box? Let's just say I don't know. I have no clue. I made the last mail time video, and I'll put the link up there so you can check it out. And I posted in there, you know, if you want to send me some stuff, send me some stuff, you know. And my good buddy Z Outlaw SS, that's his name on YouTube. That's his channel name, and he has a really nice Camaro 1LE 6 Gen that he babies that thing. Oh, he babies that thing like no other. He'll actually drive home in the rain, park the car in his garage, which I don't have. Send me one of those, Z. But he'll park it in the garage and actually clean it before he goes in the house. The guy is a car nut. Let's just put it that way. But it's a beautiful car. He takes well care of it. And by all means, check out his channel. He does a lot of mountain runs and a lot of car care reviews. He's a big Adams products guy. Big Adams products. But he found what works for him, and that's what it's all about. Once you find what works for you, go for it. But anyhow, he's seen my video and he wanted to send me a package, which he did. And I've had it since Saturday, which was yesterday, today being Sunday, Memorial Day. But I wanted to wait and make a proper video on it. I have not opened it, Z, as you can see. It is still just as you sent it. But let's break out the universal letter opener. This time, I'm using my Gerber knife. Well, the other one was a Gerber too. This one is a little bit more preemptive, if you will, security measure. You break this out and people are like, so let's get this opened up and see what's in here. I have absolutely no idea what's in it. He didn't say what he was sending. I didn't ask for anything. He just said he wanted to send me something. So let's see what is in the box. And I'm going to try to keep this where you can't see the address to maintain privacy rights. Alright. Set that down close so I don't cut my own self. Packing material, yes. Hot dig. Thank you, buddy. I really appreciate it. I really do. He's been trying to get me to, he doesn't tell me to buy Adams products, but through his videos, he's been planting subliminal messages to me to start buying Adams products. He's been trying to convert me because my main thing is stuff that's local, which if you've watched my videos for any amount of time, you know I try to support my local community and I try to show you what's readily available and what works. So I've gotten really hooked on Griot's Garage products. They're really, really good as far as commercial grade stuff. But he's, like I said, big on Adams. So the first thing he sent me was a great white drying towel. Holy moly. And this is a $25 drying towel. Wow. And as you can see, you can check it out on Adams products if you're interested in any of this stuff, which you should be. It's great stuff. So like a waffle weave pattern. Very nice. Can't wait to try this out. And he sent a premium microfiber wash sponge. I guess he's tired of seeing me use my little fingery wash mitt. But these two things, I have heard nothing but great things about them. Thank you very much. One of these would have been plenty, and I now have got both. And in case you're wondering, this is $10, $9.99. And I'm not trying to boost the prices of what he sent me, but you know, I'm not trying to make this box more valuable or anything. But since this is actual car detailing products that you might be interested in yourself, I want you to know what they cost. Oh man. Adams Polishes Detail Spray. Everybody talks about this stuff, about how good it is and everything. It smells good too. And of course, for a detail spray, you got to have a nozzle, right? And I'm going to go ahead and be honest with you, Z. When you said you were sending me a box, I was hoping it was an Adams product. I really was. Because I've been wanting to try them, as you well know. I say it in all my videos whenever I do reviews and stuff. But I just don't do it because I like to support my local community. But I think that I'm going to start branching out a little bit after doing the Griot's Garage glass sealer. And if you're interested in that video, you can see it up there. But I'm going to start branching out a little bit. He also sent me a bottle of Adams Polishes Spray Wax, Carnauba infused. And as I go through all these products, I will be putting the prices off of Adams' website in so you can see how much they cost. And another nozzle for that. And one thing I've heard about Adams, besides they have a large following, any of you that use spray products know when you do that, you get it all over your fingers. And so far, I have found Griot's to be top notch with their spray nozzles. And I've heard great things about Adams also. So I will let you know how they work when I use them. But spray wax, Carnauba infused. Wow, what does it smell like? It smells almost like grape Kool-Aid. First in the smell. And last up, set this box down. And if you've watched my videos for any length of time, you know that I like to baby my cars a lot too. I like for them to shine. I like for them to look good. It's a representation of who you are. You know, when you go out in public, if you go, people could tell a lot by you by how you present yourself. If I come on here cussing and raising all kinds of sand, it's gonna make me look like I'm a trashy piece of crap. Or if I go out in public or go to a restaurant in my pajama bottoms, a tank top, my hair all over my head, it's gonna make me look like a lazy slouch. It really will. And that's not who I am. And your cars, your house, your yard represent the same thing. People driving by, they see a bunch of junk out in your front yard, they're gonna think, wow, what a lazy, junky person. Or your car is the same way. You go pulling up and your car is all filthy and they look in it, you know, when they walk by and it's full of trash. What do you think they're gonna think? Now granted, I'm gonna show you what this last product here is in a second. By me just showing you the color, a lot of you guys already know. Some people can't do it. Some people have health conditions. I understand that. And for you guys, I'm not knocking you 100% at all. It's the ones that can do better and the ones that know to do better, but they don't. I'll leave it at that. Enough ranting. That's my rant for today. But when I first met Z Outlaw SS on YouTube, one of the first things I ever seen him do was use this product, and I mentioned in that video, my response to his video, that one day I wanted to try it. Now I'm not saying he remembered that, by no means, because I wouldn't. You know, me getting old, memory's not what it used to be. But I made the comment that I really wanted to try this product, and one day I was going to order it. And he sent it. And what is that? One of Adam's most popular products. Their buttery wax. Every video I have ever seen on this product, they talk about how easy it goes on, how easy it comes off, how it just absolutely shines your car. Now, is this a long-lasting wax? No. I already know that in advance. I've been checking out their products for a while. I've been looking at them, been watching reviews on YouTube all over the place. I know that it won't last a long time. This is a more of a, I just got done, I'm getting ready to go out on a hot date, or I just washed my car getting it ready for a car show wax. 30 minutes, put it on, take it off, good to go, right? It's not one of those 1-2 hour jobs. Put it on, take it off. It adds a lot of gloss to the finished product, so that when you pull out of your yard, people down the street are blinded by the rays coming off your car. Right? But that's what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? As Brad Pitt said in the infamous movie 7 is the name of it. Great movie. It's a little deep. It is, because it's talking about the 7 deadly sins, but it's a good movie. If you're into horror movies, or scary movies, or detective movies, watch it. Don't let your children watch it though. But yes, here we go. Adam's buttery wax, detail spray, spray wax, 2 nozzles, microfiber wash sponge, and their drying towel. The Outlaw, buddy, you overdid yourself. You really shouldn't have. You really shouldn't have. You know me, I'd have been happy with a sticker, just getting a sticker from anybody. But now you've created work for me. Thank you, buddy. But with all that said, with all this showing off, with all this yada 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 blabbing, talking about nonsense, thank you, The Outlaw SS. I really do appreciate it. Go check out his channel. Great guy. A lot of fun videos. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Get out and enjoy your car. I'm fixing to enjoy mine because I got tomorrow off. Yes! So you know what I'm going to be doing. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.